And in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a list for Androids in Android Studios and how to display it onto the screen. So what you want to do is you want to have a widget called the list view. Now to add the list view to the screen, you can either do it through the text in the XML or you can go to the designer and drag and drop onto your screen. I personally like to use the XML, so I'll be doing it through here. So to do that, for those of you that are familiar with XML or HTML, and I'm going to set the length and width of the screen to just match for both width and height. And then we're going to give it an ID. You see over here on your right, it gives you a preview of what your list view would look like on your Android screen. You won't necessarily see this when you run it, but it gives you a good idea of what it'll look like. So once you have your list view, you need to populate it with some elements, and the way you do that is that you have to, this array file over here needs to be created. It doesn't come by default. So the way you create it, you have to go to your resource folder, go to values, right click, new, and create a new value resource file, and make sure you name it array. So once you have that created, I'm going to create a string array. And then you're going to want to add items to it. This is the string array that, or these are the elements that will be displayed in your list view. So to display your list view, you have to go to your Java file, and what I have here is I am referencing in the Java code the list view that is on the screen. And you do that by, there's a method called findViewById. Pass the ID of your list view, and that's how you reference it. Same for the array in the array XML. This is how you would get that array from the XML. Now once you have it, you're going to want to find a new array adapter. And essentially what the array adapter does, it determines the layout of your string. There's very different ways you can lay out not of your string, of your list. There are different ways or different layouts you can have for your list view. So I'm not going to get into the details of the parameters being passed, but you have to pass the context list view to be in. And for the third parameter, you want to pass in the array, and the list view, and then it formats it. So once you have your array adapter, your array, and your list view, there you go. Hello, how are you? And that's how you create a simple list view to your Android applications. Thanks for watching.